Well, today we will talk about conditional sentences, or in Indonesia we call kalimat pengandaian. So, conditional sentences can be expressed two kind of conditional, can be real one or unreal one. Conditional sentences consist of three types. Conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is real condition. Express what is possible. The if clause is in the present tense. The other clause express habitual action, future action, or a command. The if clause can occur in any position in the sentence, can be in the middle of the sentences or in the opening of the sentences, depend on the situation you want to say to the other. The pattern is if clause or real condition can be habit, future, or command. For example, habit. If it rains, I drive. For future, if it rains, I will drive. And then for command, if it rains, drive it. Or we will call imperative sentence. Next type is we call conditional sentences type 2. In conditional sentence type 2, we call unreal condition in present. Can be expressed something that is not true or not possible in present. The if clause is in the past tense. So the main clause use word plus simple form. The pattern of conditional sentence type 2 is past tense. For example, if I were the boss, I would take a vacation. So the fact is, I don't take a vacation because I'm not a boss. Or, if he were the boss, he would take a vacation. So in fact is, he is not the boss, so he doesn't take a vacation. If I had enough time, I would write to my parent. So in fact, I don't have enough time, so I don't write anything from my parent. And then the last is talking about conditional sentence type 3. In conditional sentence type 3, express something unreal in past. That is not true or not possible in past only. Can be now, can be happen. The if clause in the past perfect, so the main clause used would have plus past participle. And the pattern of conditional sentence type 3 is past perfect. For example, if I had gone to USA, I would have seen Hollywood. In fact, I didn't go to USA, so I didn't see Hollywood. Or if he had much money, he would have bought a new car. In fact, he didn't buy a new car because he didn't have much money. So in conclusion, we can say that the form of conditional sentences type 1, if plus subject plus verb 1 following by s or es plus object, and then subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. And then type 2, if plus subject plus verb 2 plus object plus subject plus would plus verb 1 plus object. And then the last, type 3, if plus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus subject plus would have plus verb 3. And the last, if you want to change the conditional type 1 become 2 and the third, the simple one atau cara mudah merubah conditional sentences as the example here, sebagai contoh di sini. First, if I get a new car, I will go to vacation in Bali. And then change into if I got a new car, I would go to vacation in Bali. And then the third one, if I had gotten a new car, I would have gone to vacation in Bali. So this is the end of our material. Thank you very much for joining us. See you next time.